Okay, y'all, division. Whew. All right, here's some of the tricks we're using at school to help the kids with long division. Over here we're putting D, M, S, C, B. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? That's how we remember it. But what this really means is divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. Sorry about my handwriting. All right, so they can put that on the side of their paper. Let's say we've got 7 divided by 433. Well, let's throw another number on there just for fun. 7. Okay. So this is our dividend. This is our divisor. This is the star of the show. And this is our quotient, because the quotient starts with a Q. Queen starts with Q, so the queen would sit on top of the throne. That's how I remember that. Dividend is also the longest of the words, so it's always the biggest of the numbers. So let's say your kid doesn't know their 7 facts for their multiplication, which a lot of them do not have it memorized. Memorizing it is the very best thing you can do. But if you're not there, here's something we can do. We can do a hashtag or a tic-tac-toe, whatever they want to call it. And I could put 7 circles up here. They can do this on their paper on a test if they want to. But what I'll do is I'll put a 7 in the first one, and then I'll count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, almost there. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57, 58, 59, blah, 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 it's 63. I have it memorized. All right, so 9 times 7 is 63. We've got all of our multiplication facts here that will help us over here to keep us from making small mistakes. I know it's a lot. Here we go. All right, how many, we're gonna start over here. First, we're gonna divide. I can make a little check mark to make sure I've done it. How many times can 7 go into 4? Well, 0. So I divide and then I multiply. So we put a little multiplication sign over here, and 0 times 7 equals 0. All right, there was our divide, there was our multiply. Now we subtract. There's our little subtraction sign. 4 minus 0 is 4. And now we check, is 4 less than 7? Yes, it is, so that's good. And then we bring it on down. All right, so this 3 gets brought down below the line here. And now we checked. We brought it down, and now we start over again. Divide. How many times can 7 go into 43? Let's see. But we can't go over. Oh, 42. 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So our 6 goes up here. And 6 times 7 spits out 42. So we did our divide, we did our multiply, now we subtract. 43 minus 42 is 1. We did our subtract, we did our check. 1 is less than 7, check. And bring it on down to Burger Town. Anybody? Justin Timberlake, Saturday Night Live? I don't know, I'm old. All right, so we bring our 3 all the way down, brought it down, boom, we're back up to the top with divide. How many times can 7 go into 13 without going over? Well, it's not 2 because that's 14, so it's 1. So 1 goes up here. 1 times 7 spits out a 7. So there's our divide. That was our multiply. Now we subtract. And let's see, 13 minus 7 is 6. Then we check. Oops. Is 6 less than 7? It sure is. Do I have anything left to bring down? Oh, I sure do. All right, bring it on down. Oh, I'm gonna run out of room. All right, so now I've got 67. That was my bring down. I'm back up to the top for divide. All right, how many times can 7 go into 67? Well, 7 times 2, but I can't go over. Oh, look, 7 times 9 is 63. That's less than 67. So 9 goes here. My 63 goes here. because 9 times 7 spits out 63. So we divided, we multiplied, now it's time to subtract. 67 minus 33 is 4. We check it, 4 is less than 7. Bring it on down to Burger Town. We've got nothing else, we are done, but we have leftovers. We have 4 left over, that's called the remainder. We put an R4 because that is the 4 that are left over. I know it's a lot. We're getting there. As soon as they get this down, it'll be a lot faster. We can forget all of this other stuff, and then they'll be doing it real quick. But until we get there, this, I know, I kind of rolled my eyes the first time. This will help them get there going step by step, because they get so far and then they get flustered, they get confused, they don't remember what the next step is. So honestly, this does help. I hope that helps you, and good luck. We can all do this.